Hi Aquarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Aquarius. Let's see what's coming up, guys. We'll be picking one card for your daily energies, Aquarius, and I'll be picking two cards from the Wisdom Oracle deck. So these cards will answer any deep questions or anything you have in your mind regarding your career situation, and this is for your relationship, guys. Sorry guys. So we'll turn the cards as we proceed, Aquarius. So for your daily energies, Aquarius, Queen of Swords. With this card, I see here that you are really a trustworthy person, and you have great knowledge in whatever you do about your actions and decisions, guys, and you perceive world clearly, and you share your perceptions, you give counsel and suggestions to the people who ask for it, guys, and based on your experiences you are a person of great knowledge. You have a clear view of things, so this may relate to the success you have in your work situation or in your relationship, guys, and people look up to you for suggestions. They take your counsel, they ask your help in certain decisions whatever they are making. So let us see what is our oracle's guidance for your career situation, Aquarius. Not for you. With this card, Aquarius, the energy is that, guys, sometimes when you are putting in great efforts, and however you are planning and doing your work to perfection, sometimes your best laid plans may not work, guys. So when things are going in a bad way, when your efforts are failing, you need to understand that this situation is also universe's way of protecting us, because sometimes better things are waiting for us. So whatever we dream may fail, but things even better than our dreams may come our way, may manifest. So you need to trust that, guys. You need to trust the way universe works. So you need to keep doing what you are doing today, and you will reach success. May not be this time, but in the time due for your success. So whenever things are supposed to go for the better for you at that correct time, things will go towards a positive way, guys. So maybe now it is not your time to reach that success in your career, and that is what the oracle's message, guys. But you need to work with that belief that in the right time right things will come towards you, which are much better than what we are expecting right now. So let us see what is the card for your relationship. Round and round. So with this card, guys, the oracle's guidance for us is that sometimes we feel that we are really familiar with the situation. You may feel why I am going through this again in this relationship. You will be surprised to see that same story repeating from your past experience. The same kind of story is repeating now, and what is the reason for that? So you may feel some stress because of that, but sometimes this is the universe's plan for showing us that we need to change. So that is the reason we are coming to the same spot again and again and again. So we need to change the way we are right now. So when we do that, things will change. Things will change differently, because we have learned something, we have learned our lesson. So we need to choose how we behave and how to be aware. You have to remain curious to your situation. Only then you will be aware of what you need to do, and you need to keep yourself away from blaming that person for the situation or blaming yourself. But instead of that blaming, you have to have that awareness of your situation. When you do that, you will understand why things are going in a particular way in your relationship, and you will be able to get that clarity, and you will be able to change what you need to change. You can change only yourself, and you can never change the other person. When you change yourself, you will break the cycle. That is what I see here, guys, and that is the reading, Aquarius. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.